everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing this easy chili chicken recipe which I've made in my air fryer. So for this I've taken around 1 roughly chopped onion, a mix of bell peppers of different colors, 3 green chilies and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, some salt, some soy sauce and some chili sauce. So I'm marinating 500 grams of boneless chicken with some salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, a pinch of turmeric powder and some garlic powder. Mix it well. So if you're new here, welcome and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Marinate it well and keep it in the fridge for around 1 hour. Next, I'm loading the air fryer basket with the chicken and I'm air frying it without any oil for around 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. So, in another wok, I've taken around 1 tablespoon of oil and to that I'm adding 1 roughly chopped onion. Saute it slightly and then add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 3 green chilies. Saute it well and then add the bell peppers. I've taken them in different colors just for the beauty of it. Saute it well. And to this, add some salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder or 1.5 depending on your spice level. And mix it well. Add around 1.5 cups of water and mix well. Now to this I'm adding around 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of chili sauce each. Mix it well and bring it to a boil. Now I've taken 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and mixed it well with a little bit of water, and when this mixture comes to a boil, I'm adding the mixture of cornstarch and water into it to thicken the gravy. Boil for a minute or so, and once the gravy gets thickened, it's time to add in the chicken. Now the chicken has been fried well. Add the chicken into the gravy and mix well. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Do check out my channel for more air fryer easy recipes and I'll leave the links in the description box too. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.